We extend our gratitude to our client in Honduras for purchasing EA500H8V right-angle rental LED display. This product features an innovative 45-degree beveled cabinet design that supports seamless right-angle splicing, utilizing a standard 500 by 500 mm module size. EA500H8V right-angle rental LED display incorporates high-precision curved locks. EA500H8V features a hub-based connection design that enhances the stability of system connectivity. Additionally, the power box is detachable, ensuring a faster and more efficient maintenance process. The modules of EA500H8V utilize a magnetic attachment design, allowing for the LED modules to be easily removed from either the front or the rear, a feature that significantly reduces maintenance time.